Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from Amanda Crochets, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Premier Yarn haul with you. So Premier Yarn had some new yarn from the Mama Made Minis line, and I really wanted to try it out, so I thought I would get some yarn and I would show it here with you today. So let's begin. So I did buy some of the Premier basic chenille brights in the regular line of the yarn, but I also have some of the chenille brights with the Mama Made Minis line. So let's go over the specs of it. This is a super bulky number 6 yarn. It is 112 yards or 103 meters. It's 5.3 ounces or 150 grams, and it is 100% polyester. And this yarn is, or this color is Poppy. And it's this really, really pretty bright red color. I plan on making some of the Fable Mouse Friends with the ballerina mouse, and I wanted to make a Christmas version for my fall and winter markets, so I wanted to pick this up. Last year when I wanted to make it, it was all sold out, and a bunch of red yarn and green yarn for the holidays were sold out, so I thought, okay, well, I'll just go ahead and pick this up a lot sooner. So there's that first color, and this is also part of the regular line, and this is Seafoam, and I thought this was a really, really pretty color as well. And it's like a mix of like a bluish green. I just thought it was really pretty, so I have that. And this is one of the Mama Made Minis collection, and this is Blossom. And I thought this was a really peachy pink color. So very pretty. And I feel like between the Mama Made Minis and the regular Premier Basics line, the yarn is pretty similar. I feel like a lot of people say that the regular line is a little bit more flat, where the Mama Made Minis is a little bit more plush, I guess, but I don't really see that much of a difference with it, so to each their own, I guess. So let me just grab some more. So, and I got pretty much 2 skeins of each color. Except for the Poppy and the Seafoam. I think I just got 1 of each, but for the most part I got 2 skeins of each color. And this beautiful purple is called Heather, and it is a very light lilac color. Very pretty. And let's see. Next, I have this. This is part of the regular line. This is Cotton Candy. I really wanted to try this, as I've had the other colors in the line before, like I think it was called Blush, and I really wanted something a little bit more pink on the lighter side. So I have this Cotton Candy, and I have just 1 skein of this. And I was running low on the white, so I wanted to pick up another skein of that. And it's a nice, true, bright white. So there's that. And then the next color I picked up is, let's see, it's called Pebble. And this is from the Mama Made Minis line. And this is a really pretty, like, brown color. I kind of think of it as like a teddy bear color, so very light and very pretty looking. I will probably make teddy bears out of this, as well as other animals with this color, such as probably a mallard duck or things of that nature. So very pretty color. This next color is the pepper color. And this one kind of reminds me of Lead from Bernat Blanket. It's kind of like a black color, but it's also gray in some light. Like right now my camera is showing that it's more gray, like a dark gray color. But in person, it's kind of like a mix between black and gray. So it's just a very pretty, unique color. So I'm excited to use this. And next I have the color Dewdrop. And this is a really pretty light blue color. I don't know if you would call this like a periwinkle in a way, but kind of reminds me of something like that. So I'm excited to use this color. I don't normally use colors like this, so it'll be very interesting to try that one out. And next we have the Steel Cut Oats. This again is part of their regular line. I've never used this color before, so I really wanted to try this one out and see how it looks. So here's this one. It's a very neutral color. I like to use a lot of neutral colors in my snuggler design, so I figured I would try this one out. So this is Steel Cut Oats. Okay, next from the Mama Made Minis line is Mocha. And this is kind of reminding me of Rust. That's part of the original Premier Basics line in the Chenille Brights. It just looks very similar to that. So I really like this color a lot. And again, I like to use a lot of those neutral colors for different snugglers and loveys and stuff like that. So I thought this would be perfect. And the last color I got was Redwood. And this is kind of like a burnt orange brownie color. So if you look at Mocha and Redwood, they're very similar together, but they do have a little bit more, like the Mocha is more brown, where the Redwood is a little bit more orange. So I think for this Redwood color, this would be perfect if you wanted to do a fox, or something like that, maybe even a pumpkin if you're interested in that. But yeah, I just really like these colors a lot. I feel like with the Mama Made Mini line, they came out with a lot of neutral colors. I did not grab all of the colors that they had available, so you can always check the Premier website and you can always get a little bit more of the different colors should you choose to like any of the other colors. So thank you so much for joining me today and learning about some of the Premier yarns and the Mama Made Minis collection. If you've never purchased from Premier Yarns before, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, and then you can get 10% off your very first order. So go ahead and check that out if you haven't already done so. They do run a bunch of sales every now and then, so keep your eyes peeled for that as well. I really love Premier Yarns. They have a wide selection of colors, and they have a lot of different yarns to choose from, so I like to use those a lot in my designs. So thank you again for joining me today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting. Bye.